Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check for KJSEA results online. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I want you to visit this link. I'll leave it in the description. So once you load this link, it's going to take you to KNEC portal. Here it's where you are now going to check for the results. Here you will put the assessment number, and then after that you'll put here either the first or the second name. Any of the names can do. So once you do that, you will check the privacy. You are allowing this portal to access your privacy, and after that you will click on search. It will take a moment and search, and voila, here are the results. You can happily check how the student performed, and for this case the student performed very well. And so all we need to do now is to print. So you'll click on these three dots and then move to print, and print this as a hard copy. And also, if you do not want to check it online, you can also send the assessment number to 22263, and they will charge you 30 bob to send the results. I hope this video helped you, and if that is the case, you already know what to do. Boop that like button so that this video can be pushed to many people. And if you enjoy my general content, feel very free to subscribe with the notifications on so that you're the first person to be notified whenever we upload a video on this channel. Otherwise, click on the side of your screen to watch our next video. And until then, please make sure that you keep creating. Peace.